Hello, my name is LauraLynn. I'm a jewelry designer here at Fire Mountain Gems, and we're here today to make these beautiful Howlite chandelier earrings. The materials you will need for this project is 6 of a smaller size Howlite bead, 2 of the larger size. You will need 6 rondelles, 6 bicones, 2 ear wires, 6 jump rings, 6 ball pins, and 2 connectors. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with the middle drop of the chandelier earrings, which is your ball pin, a bicone, a rondelle, one of the smaller Howlite beads, and one of the larger ones. Okay. So let's go ahead and put these on. Okay, so now that I have put these on the ball pin, I am just going to go ahead and hold this, and I'm going to press the ball pin at as far down as you can over the bead. That is so that I can start my single loop. Now that I've had that, I am just going to wrap this wire back around towards me. And then I'm just going to use my round nose pliers, and I'm going to continue turning them until I get to the bead. So now that I can't go anymore, I just kind of go back a little bit. And then I'm going to bend this away so I can get my nippers in there really close and cut that wire. Sometimes it's easier if you use a skinnier nipper, but this will work here. I'm putting my finger over it so when I cut it, it doesn't go flying. So now that I got that extra piece off, I'm going to take my chain nose pliers again and straighten that loop out. And there we have a perfect simple loop. So the other 2 dangles for this earrings I've already pre-made, and that is just going to take they're identical, so you need a bicone, one of the smaller Howlite beads, the rondelle, and then make a simple loop. So the only thing left now is to go ahead and connect it to the drop with some jump rings. If you've never opened a jump ring before, you need to make sure that you do where you twist one plier away from you and one towards you, and that makes sure that your jump ring stays round. I'm going to start with the middle one. And then I'm going to attach the connector. It's a little thick, so I didn't open my jump ring enough, so I'm just going to open it a little more. I want the middle. And to close it, you're going to do that same motion where you twist it one away, one towards you. Now when you're closing it, you can kind of feel the wire hitting each other, and you always want to make sure you're looking at it from the top and from the side to make sure that your jump ring is closed properly. You're going to do the same thing with the other 2 dangles. Okay. Now that I have the dangles attached, the last thing for this project is to attach it to the ear wire. This specific ear wire has a hidden loop, it's aimed the right way, so I don't need to attach a jump ring or anything. So to open the hidden loop, you're going to treat this as if it was a jump ring with the one plier towards you and one away. This is soft enough, I'm just going to hold it in my fingers and then twist it away. With these hidden jump rings, you got to twist it a little further than normal so that the opening clears the front portion for you to be able to get your drop on. See here where it's not going in? That's because I have to kind of twist it a little bit further than normal. So there's enough room to get that drop in there. You may have to wiggle it, or what I do sometimes is I will use my round nose pliers to undo the circle a little bit. There we go. So once you heard that click in there, now I'm going to go ahead and close that just like I would a jump ring. And then, because I did open it a little bit, I'm just going to kind of squeeze a little bit to close it back up. And all I'm doing is I want to make sure that that wire is right at the tip of the connector there, so it's not open and you don't lose your chandelier earring. So that is all it takes to make these beautiful chandelier earrings. You can go to firemountaingems.com for a full list of materials. I do want to thank you for joining us. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the little bell icon below to be notified each time we offer a new video.